if you want to set up Smart Connect on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Now once you go to settings, open connected devices, and then over here we have Smart Connect. If you go over here for the first time, you will need to grant some permissions, and after that you might see this get started message. So over here we can just press add a device, and then you might be asked to sign into the Lenovo ID account or Moto account or something like that. However, there is also an option that allows you to skip that, and then you can pair manually. After that, you should be able to see the list of devices that you can connect to. So for example, if you want to connect your Motorola Edge 60 Pro with your PC, then of course you want to select PC in order to find out the instruction. In this case, we need to get the Smart Connect app from a Microsoft Store. And if you want to pair with a tablet, then of course you can do the same thing. This time we need to get the Smart Connect app from the Play Store. If you want to connect a TV, then of course we go to displays. If your TV supports, or display in general, if it supports Miracast and Chromecast, then, or Chromecast actually, then you should be able to find it over here in the nearby displays, so you can then select it and try to pair. Remember that ideally you want to actually use the same internet connection, so if you use Wi-Fi, make sure that you are using the same Wi-Fi in order to make sure that the connection is stable and, well, possible. Besides that, we can of course connect to watches, or we can connect watches to our Edge 60 Pro. We also have Moto Buds over here. We have Moto Tag, as well as a VR headset. And besides that, we can tap over here, show QR code. We need to grant the permission, and over here we can get the QR code if needed, or we can scan the QR code over here. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.